Hello everyone, hope you're good. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about playing guitar in reggae music and how I play in my band and here in the studio. As a rhythm guitarist in reggae, what you do is you play a chop. You strike down, it's a downstroke music. So as you're striking down, you're putting pressure on the strings and releasing it immediately. So it's short and it has to be sharp, you know. As you can see, I'm cheating. I'm muting the last string, the E string, and I'm just using the remaining 5 strings. There's actually 2 kinds of chop or chaka that you can play. First one is just a chop, and you can also play a chaka, which goes like. What I did just now is adding little fill-ins, them call it slurs, you know, every musician does it. But you want to rarely play that in a track or in a song, you know, it has to be hypnotic and just go on. Every chuck, you have to mean it, and here and there you can add little things, but don't play too much because there's other musicians and they also add fill-ins and do rolls or things, so don't overdo it. I'm also using a wah-wah pedal to give it more treble, and as I'm striking down, I'm putting the pedal down also at the same time. So it slowly it sounds like this, and fast it sounds like. So it creates a twack, twack. That might not sound much on itself, but I guess like in every music, reggae music is simple, but it's not easy, you know. So you have to take your time and really develop the thing. But every chop has to be played like you mean it, you know, it has to stand out. Together with the bobble and the bang from the keyboard, from the organ and the piano, it creates a certain sound that to my ears is essential for this music, and I'm going to show it to you. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments. I'll gladly answer them. And thank you, goodbye.
Drop the music, let them soul.